Hey dolls, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl, Kayla Lashae. Today we are doing a full-blown hair transformation because this ain't it. I just washed my hair today and then blow dried it because my stylist is on his way over. He's going to braid my hair down. We're gonna get some new weave sewn in. So I'm going to kind of show you guys the process of my hair makeover and the full braided sew-in for my birthday. I'm so excited. It's gonna be super long. It's gonna be like a natural dark color. So I'm gonna leave some stuff linked in the description box below so that you dolls can check out the hair that I'm using for this video today. And big thanks to Hairspells because they're sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into a little unboxing of the extensions before I get them installed. So this was the initial packaging from Hairspells. I love this little satin bag. It's great for storage. So the first bundle I ordered was 24 inches. This is a body wave Brazilian texture. So definitely check out the details down below because they have a ton of different options to choose from. I also ordered one bundle of 26 inches. I really like the layered effect, so it's great to get different lengths when you're doing a full braided sew-in. And then I also got a 22-inch bundle. So it's funny because I didn't even end up using the entire thing. So you guys will see later on in the video how much we used. And then I'm going to be doing a closure as well. So this is a 16-inch Brazilian lace closure. And before the install, my stylist did go in and bleach the knots so that it matched my skin tone and blended a lot better. So this is the hair right out of the packaging. This was before I washed it, and let me say it washed beautifully.
I was born under the sun, so why am I so afraid of it? Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough.
So meet my stylist, Devante. He came over to do my full braided sew-in, so there's absolutely no leave out in this method. So you guys can see right now he is just braiding down my hair. We decided to go with a middle part for this one. And I basically just said, yo, just do your thing, do whatever you feel looks best, use how much hair you feel, you know, looks the best. At the end of the day, that's his job. So I kind of just left that in his hands. So with this, we also added a cap as well, and you will see that he glued down the closure just so it lays a lot more flat against my skin. And it'll also last a little bit longer too. I'm not going to explain much of the process because listen, I don't do hair, so you can just kind of see, but he just went in and sewed everything down. Pretty easy if you ask me. So I'm going to leave his details in the description box as well. He is a stylist that is based here in LA, so hit him up because I'm obsessed.
I don't want to be friends no more. I don't want to do the damn thing. Why we always gotta fight so much? Why we always stay angry? No more second tries when you don't even try. I don't wanna do this damn thing. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey, oh, cooling on my own. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. So why am I still craving it? Lost more than I have won. I think I'm out of luck. Ooh, my destiny is on the run, and I don't care for chasing it. I see how far I've come. I guess guess that wasn't enough. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman, and I'm cold. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody
Now listen, this is a complete transformation from the beginning of this video. First of all, shout out to my stylist for coming over to install my hair extensions for me. We started this at 8 o'clock and it is now 11:30 at night. I am exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed, but I had to show you guys what we did. So I only ended up using one full bundle of the 26 inches, one full bundle of the 24 inches, and then maybe like 2/3 of the 22-inch bundle, and then of course we installed the closure. I'm gonna leave down below all the details to this hair, the website where you guys can get it, and the exact bundles with the body wave texture that we have going on. So I washed these extensions last night. So this is all of the hair that I have left over from the last bundle, which would be 22 inches. So I think that this is like the perfect amount of density. It doesn't look too crazy, right? But it's still really thick and really full. 26 inches, guys. 26 inches. So my stylist ended up gluing down the closure. It's a lace closure. I am obsessed with it. I think this is exactly what I wanted, like a natural look, you know? So I'm really obsessed. He also went in and cut it a little bit as well, which I think completely transformed the install. So if you guys are looking for some new hair extensions, check out Hairspells. I will link them down below so you guys can browse the website and of course pick up the bundles and the closure that I use. I definitely will be ordering probably again soon from them because I really like the hair quality. I think it's really nice, especially being that I already washed this. I got to kind of see what it does, and my stylist was saying how nice the hair is. So if he's saying it's nice quality, it must be good quality if he handles hair all day every day, right you guys? But look at these beautiful waves that he added. So one thing I will note, if you're looking for different textures and maybe you don't know if you want to get a straight texture or a wavy texture, I always say go for something like a body wave because it does hold a curl or a wave for a very long time. You could also straighten the hair as well. Compared to just getting a straight texture, it's really not going to hold a curl or a wave all day. It's basically going to fall out almost immediately. So body wave is a texture that I personally do prefer when it comes down to getting extensions, because it is so versatile and you don't have to put a bunch of product in it. So that was my hair transformation. I hope that you dolls enjoyed this video and got to see a little bit of the install process, and of course just an overall look of these extensions once you get them in the mail, and then how beautiful they can look when you get them installed. So until next time, I will see you dolls in my next video. Bye!